So this video is going to be about replacing hard drive or optical drive. There's three types of hard drives. There's SCSI, IDE, and SATA. Here's a picture of the SCSI hard drive, SATA, and IDE. These are how the hard drives connect to the motherboard and what jacks are used. For our IDE hard drives, there's two cables that come from the motherboard that can make an optical drive and hard drive a slave and master. SATA is a new standard. With SATA, you have one cable that comes from the motherboard to the SATA drive. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.